This trip will be a wonderful family adventure.
Yes, we will make beautiful memories together. Today is a special day. I want to learn how this big airplane flies.
Wow, Leo, you look like a real pilot.
There are so many people traveling today.
I am excited to see the clouds from above.
Me too. It's going to be amazing.
I can't wait. The airplane is moving. We are going up. Yes, flying is amazing.
Flying needs focus and responsibility.
I will learn carefully. The clouds look like soft white mountains.
Nature is full of amazing surprises.
The controls look difficult.
With practice, you can learn many things.
Really, I want to learn.
You will. Just keep watching.
The clouds look like soft white mountains.
Nature is full of amazing surprises.
This is a beautiful flight. The view is wonderful.
It really is. Every flight needs teamwork. Everyone has an important job. Travel teaches us new things.
I want to learn more every day.
Do not worry, we will handle this safely.
I believe in you, Captain.
A good pilot stays calm in every situation.
I will remember this lesson. The airplane is safe again.
Yes, courage helps us stay calm.
This is the most amazing view.
I will always remember this day.
A real pilot cares about every person on the plane.
I will always help others.
Moral of the story: love, courage, and family care can make every challenge easier. Thanks.